Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because Christmas is right around the corner and I thought it'd be fun to collect 15 different free crochet patterns from other creators and give them to you for ideas, for gifts that you can make for loved ones, family and friends, or whoever you want, even for yourself. So let's get into it. So if any of these patterns interest you, I will be linking them all down below in the description box in order that I speak about them so that you can find them easily and make them for your family and friends. So the first idea that I have for a really fun gift is a beanie. I think beanies are really easy to make. They're beginner friendly and everybody loves a beanie, or a toque if you want to call it a toque. This one in particular is really pretty, I find. You can buy faux fur pom-poms at Michael's, or if you're in the States, you can buy them at Joann's, I'm sure, or online at Yarn Inspirations. And I find that they're very beginner friendly. When I was learning how to crochet, I learned how to do beanies. Of course, when I first made them, they didn't fit my head. They were a little bit small, but eventually I got the hang of it and I find that that really helped me learn my skills. So I think making a beanie is a really great place to start. The second idea that I have is making a scarf. Now this example right here is an infinity scarf, but you can make any type of scarf. I think especially if you're living in colder climates like I do in Canada, scarves are a pretty good gift because they'll get lots of use out of it. And you can make them in specific colors for the person that you're making it for. So you can customize it that way. So I think that's really fun. Number 3 is baby booties. Now, obviously this is going to be specific to people that might be having kids in the future or are pregnant or have a newborn. But I think crocheted baby booties may be the cutest things that I've ever seen. This pattern is is perfect. I think it's really easy, very simple. And I think making custom baby booties is such a good idea. I kind of wish that I had some for my baby when he was really young. So I think if you have a friend or family member that's going to be having a baby soon, I think baby booties is a great gift. Number 4 is a blanket. Now I think blankets are super simple, they're easy to do. And for this specific example, it's a throw, so it's a lot tinier. So if you don't have as much time, you can make a throw, which isn't really a full-size blanket. But if you want to make a full-size blanket, go ahead and do that as well. Everybody loves blankets, again, especially if you're living in colder climates. To keep warm and bundle up on those cold winter nights, who doesn't love a nice blanket? So I found this throw pattern really nice, especially with that velvety yarn. I think it would be so comfortable to snuggle under. Number 5 is kind of similar to the baby booties, but it's a baby sweater. So again, this is going to be specific to your family and friends that are expecting or trying or have a young baby. Making a baby sweater I think is really fun, and I think it'd be a good challenge. This might not be for necessarily beginners. I've personally never made a sweater before, but it's on my list of things I want to try. So maybe I will try this pattern for this coming Christmas. But I think it's a really good present. And again, you can customize it for whoever it is you're making it for. Number 6 is a crochet wine bottle bag. Now, I think this is such a good idea for any of your friends or family that love wine, that like to go to parties. They can bring their little crocheted wine bag and have their bottle of wine with them. It's super cute, very easy to make, and lots of different color options and customization again with this. I think if you have someone in your mind that would love something like this, I think you should make it for them. Number 7 is pot holders. Now, pot holders are super easy to make. I think they're really good beginner-friendly crochet patterns, and I think you could give them to really anybody, but especially maybe your friends and family that are buying a home or just bought a home, or, I don't know, just love pot holders. Who doesn't love a good pot holder? This pattern is really cute. And I think it would be a great gift for anybody if you're looking for something that would work up quick and that anybody could get use out of. Number 8 is a cardigan. Now, again, I personally never made a cardigan. I think it would be a really good challenge for me to do, but I think that they are beautiful enough. I think if I ever started making them, I probably would never stop because I love wearing them. But I think that this would be a really great gift for someone, especially again in colder climates. Just to throw over, you could do a lighter one that doesn't have as many, like that the stitches aren't as close if you're in a warmer climate where you don't need something so warm. But I think making a cardigan could be such a great challenge for someone who's maybe a medium crocheter, or you could try as a beginner as well, and just trial and error. But I think making a cardigan would be a great gift. Number 9 is a headband. Now, when I was learning how to crochet, I made so many headbands. They were basically the thing that I learned how to make sure that I was crocheting every single stitch, learning how to count, and plus they sell really well for markets, and people love them. Again, this is more for colder climates. I am in Canada, so I kind of tend to find things that are for warmer climates. But I think that they're super cute, and warm and a great gift that would work up quickly. Now, number 10 is a bag. Now, I am obsessed with this bag. I think I might try making this bag. It's so pretty. I think it would be really good for a beach bag, or you could even bring it to the grocery store and put your groceries in it, or if you're gonna go shopping, whatever it may be. It's a really cute bag, looks like it would work up pretty quickly, and I think it would be a great gift for a male or a female, doesn't have to be a specific gender. And I think it would be a good challenge to do. So I think making a bag would be a great gift. All right, number 11 is a plant or a succulent. Now, I don't know about you, but I am obsessed with plants. And of course, I can't keep plants alive. I've gotten better over the years, but it's still a struggle for me. And I am obsessed with crocheted plants. I think that they are super cute. You could make them for a rear view mirror, little dangly. You can put them in your house. You can make little dangly ones, tall ones, whatever you want to do. This pattern is for succulents, but there are so many free patterns out there for crocheted plants. And I think if you have a plant lover in your family or friend group, they would love a crocheted plant. Number 12 is a coaster. Now, again, kind of like the pot holders, coasters are kind of gender neutral, very easy to make. They work up super quickly. I think this would be a really good gift if you're doing a Secret Santa. Maybe you don't know the person that you're creating it for, because everybody loves them and they're useful. But also, again, it'd be good for anybody moving into a new home or buying a new home in the future. They may really enjoy these things. It's funny, as you grow up and you become an adult, pot holders and coasters become exciting. So I think doing coasters would be a really fun, easy project to do. Number 13 is a sweater. Now, again, this is going to fall under the cardigan situation for me, where I feel like if I start doing these, I'll never stop. They're so cute. I buy sweaters like this all the time at Winners, and they're really expensive. I know probably would be more expensive to make handmade, but I think it would be so much fun to try and make a sweater. This pattern in particular, I think is really cute. It is for a woman, but there are lots of male sweater patterns out there for free, and maybe I'll try and find one and link it down below for you guys. But I think making a sweater in whatever color you want for someone that you love would be a really fun project and a really great gift. Number 14 is a poncho. Now, I think ponchos are coming back into style. I used to wear them when I was like 7. I haven't worn one in a hot minute, but I think that they're super cute, would be a really great cover up. And I think would be decently easy to make because there's no specific arms. So if you're kind of a beginner pattern or a beginner crocheter and you're not really sure about how to make sweaters and things with arms, I think a poncho would be a really good idea to try out. Might be good to kind of get your feet wet in making clothes. And I think people might love it. This pattern in particular is really beautiful. You don't have to follow the colorway that they did. You can make it whatever color you want. You don't have to do the stripes if you don't want to, but I think it'd be a really fun gift. And number 15 is a clutch. Now, I've never made a clutch before. I think they would be pretty easy to make. The only difficult part would probably be if you're gonna add a zipper. That may be a little bit advanced, even for me. I don't know how to do that, but I'm sure you could find a video or instructions on how to add a zipper if you wanted to do that. But I think a clutch would be so much fun. Crocheted purses and bags and accessories are super popular right now, and I think anybody would love to have a crochet clutch or bag. So I think that would be a fun project that would probably work up pretty quickly and that someone would love. So those are my 15 free crochet pattern suggestions for gifts for this Christmas season. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the links down below to find those free patterns if you're interested in any of them. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!